So linked further down the page on my account. If you click on me, it got locked. It got locked for being too big. It was 55,000 characters. It was the media player that we had designed for y'all, and it's gonna be a good one if we can get government support to go back to school and make it ourselves, and it'll be superior to anything that's ever existed in completeness, except for maybe like mid 90s level computers, which were capable of more, up to about 2005 level computers. But it operates on like a revision of those to get built by 2030, an upgrade for the mid 20s. In the mid 20s, yeah, 10 years of review, 10 years of processing and play and advancement and growth, and then 10 years to design a rebuild model, and then 10 years to build it. And we're ready to go into our building phase.